Hi everybody, a little quick discussion about my accuspark. I went to my local rep here in King Lake, bought my second accuspark unit because I was very happy with the first one, but I had a bit of a trouble with the second one, and so I thought to give you a bit of a heads up on what to look for when you're installing your accuspark, because I found out what was wrong with my second install in my second distributor, and I'm about to glue it all back together again with heat grease, so I'll show you all about it. You know how you get that? Comes in a packet. I went to to King Lake. He put it on the plate. He ground it, put it all together, and put it in the car. And the car was running, but then when it got hot, it couldn't run. It couldn't advance. So I want you to remind you about the plate. This is the plate from inside the distributor. And this is the movement. That's the actual movement. If I pull on the advance, you see it moves. And that's the full swing. Alright, that's the full swing. And that is governed by this peg here. That hole is the full swing of advance, vacuum advance. And when my man put this on the machine, he didn't make the hole big enough, and didn't make it deep enough. Now see this little lug here? This little lug here holds the plate. So if I move this now, you'll see that the plate slides inside that lug. Right? Well, we didn't have this big enough. The hole, which is now big enough, if I can show you that hole. This is the size. You can see I've cut out a large section. The fella cut out about this much. About this much of it. And I have extended it to there, the same length as the hole on the bottom side. And now the whole thing allows the plate to move the full swing of the vacuum advance. Can you see that now? That little plug, the plate moves. And I have managed to cut out enough metal so it can do the whole swing. So that's just something to look forward to when you're doing yours. If you get your kit in the post and you put it in, you have to make room for these things so that the bottom plate can move. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go outside, put some heat grease on it that I bought for $4 a little tube down at J-Car, and I'm going to put it all back together again, and because I didn't have any vacuum advance when it got hot, because yeah, it just jammed. It was clear, but it wasn't the full length, and my man hadn't ground back enough space to clear that metal tag. Now it's all clear. I'm looking forward to putting it into the car and enjoying it. That's my little unit there. Okay guys.